Hello guys, welcome to another session. In this session, we are going to look into how to add methods to object literals. So let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to understand this concept. So in the last session, we have seen about how to create an object literals in JavaScript, and we have also seen that how to add properties within the object. So now we will look into how to add object method within JavaScript. But prior to that, I wanted to remind you what actually the object methods is. If you remember the example which we did earlier, that is converting from smaller case to uppercase. On that time we have used str.toUppercase. So that particular method is a method of string object that actually performs the logic of conversion from smaller case to uppercase. The same way we can design our custom method for our custom object. For this case, I am going to create a method for this employee object, and the method is called print. So print functionality I am going to introduce in this object. So how we can do that? We need to tell that print, and then we need to specify function, and over here we need to specify here first comma, and within that we need to tell the logic. So let's do the logic over here. So first we will again take the reference of all the properties. So if you remember, we have used last time improp, which contains all the properties information like ID, name, and then we have age, and then we have phone. Now we will iterate each of the property and print the value. So how we can do that? So again we will use improp. It's for each method, and this time we are going to define the callback function with the help of arrow function, and here we need to specify the prop, that is for properties, and we will console.log, and here we need to specify the employee over here, employee, and each of the property I need to access it. The same we can implement it with the print method. Now we have designed this print method. So how we can access it? We simply need to tell that employee.print. Save it. Let's jump into the browser to see the output, and see here it has printed all the information about the employee object. So let's proceed further. So this way you can introduce the functionality within the object, and this is called method of the object. This is called print method. We have defined a print method within employee object. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.